In Austria, it's springtime, and for my family and me this means there's a lot of wild garlic that we can pick for free in the woods. So this means today we are making a super delicious wild garlic pesto. Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are making wild garlic pesto. This is one of my favorite pesto varieties. It's super tasty. So let's get straight to the recipe. Making this pesto is super easy. If you have a blender, this pesto is done in like 2 minutes. But you can certainly also use a pestle and mortar, it's just a little more work. To start, put all the ingredients in the blender. That would be your wild garlic, some cashew and pine nuts, but you can use whatever kind of nuts you like, except walnuts because they are too bitter I think, some Parmesan cheese, and lastly some extra virgin olive oil. Try not to use an olive oil that has a bitter aftertaste, as this will not really complement this dish. Just in case you're wondering, especially higher quality olive oils have a bitter aftertaste to them. You could also add a tiny bit of regular garlic to this dish. Just make sure to finely dice it or press it with a garlic press before adding, because you don't want any bigger pieces of garlic in this pesto. Try to use the blender in a stop and go motion first, because the spinning blades will make the olive oil turn bitter after a while. Now blend this for a little bit until it reaches a consistency you like. Once that's done, you can adjust the seasoning with a tiny bit of sugar, some salt, and a couple of cracks of black pepper. I just poured this pesto into a bowl because I'm going to use it right away. You could also fill this pesto into some sterilized jars and keep them in your fridge for about 3 to 6 months. An easy way to sterilize jars and their lids is placing them in some boiling water for a couple of minutes. So I decided to make some pasta to eat my pesto with. After straining the pasta, I always drop it back into the same pot I boiled it in. Then I add my pesto and some pasta water I saved previously and mix it up well. If you do it this way, you get a really nice and creamy texture. Now quickly plate this up. Add some more Parmesan cheese on top of it, place a beautiful basil leaf in the middle, and finally drizzle some more olive oil on top of it. And there you have the best wild garlic noodles you have ever tried. So guys, as always, let's do a quick taste test. I'm super excited. The taste of this pesto is very unique. It has a garlicky flavor, well, who would have thought? And it's a lot stronger than regular basil pesto. I really like it and I'm sure you will too, so please give this recipe a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more cooking related videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.